from a 41 Action News investigation into a national nonprofit.
The Missouri Attorney General is taking action in the wake of our report. Investigator Ryan Kath is here with the update to a story he's been tracking for almost 2 years now.
Krista, the organization is called Stop Child Trafficking Now. In 2011, our investigation followed the money trail and fact-checked the nonprofit's bold claims. Tonight, court documents show the Attorney General agrees with our findings.
This downtown event raised $30,000 for Stop Child Trafficking Now. The nonprofit told us that money would stay in Kansas City, but couldn't explain how.
Who are some of the organizations the money will go to?
Here in the city, I'm trying to see which ones are here.
We never got an answer to that question. The organization also caught our attention because they paid hundreds of thousands of dollars to private special ops teams to gather undercover intelligence.
How are we doing it? We're collecting information and bringing it back to law enforcement to put together cases that are prosecutable here in the United States.
The nonprofit claimed the work was producing gift-wrapped cases to the FBI.
Are there any cases you can point to where your special operatives have brought information that's helped lead to an arrest?
That's an unfair. We are in the process of, we have handed over hundreds of pieces of information, and we're in the process of doing that.
Do you think that's an unfair question?
No.
Shortly after our report, the videos were gone and the website was under construction. Last year, SCT Now held fundraising events in other places, but didn't return to Kansas City. Meantime, the Missouri Attorney General launched its own probe after our investigation. Tonight, court documents show the AG accused the nonprofit of misrepresenting how Kansas City area donations would be spent, along with misrepresenting its activities and accomplishments. A lot has happened since Betty Whitaker sparked our investigation 2 years ago by sending in this tip. Tonight, the Johnson County resident is glad she listened to her gut and asked us to do some digging.
I've had a really great experience in doing this. I just didn't know there were reporters and stations that actually took the time to look into something like this.
The settlement means the nonprofit agreed to follow a list of rules if it comes back to Missouri for a fundraiser. I contacted the president of SCT Now, and he said it will be several days before he's able to respond to our questions. I'm investigator Ryan Kath, 41 Action News.